So here's my compost pile right here, and I just brought some stuff out to add to it. Some scraps from the kitchen, vegetable scraps, and some flowers that have since died. So I'm just gonna put it on here and then turn it with the shovel. It's that easy. That's what I keep my compost in the house, in the kitchen. Since it's an old cooler, it's insulated so it doesn't smell. Then I just come out here and dump it on the pile. It gets kind of slimy in there, but I just wash it out every so often. And now I just mix it up. One-handed. Watch this. Oh God. I can't do it one-handed. And I didn't bring anything else out here to set this on. So we're gonna try this. These are the pumpkins. That were growing out of the compost pile here. You see that nice dark rich soil? That's that looks nice and good. Eventually will go on in the garden.